Good evening, everyone. It is May 5th, 2017. We filled it up, 2015-16 Upper Deck, the Cup Hockey 3-box break. Number 22, this is Pick Your Teams. So these breaks will come from a sealed box, 3-box case. Let's do it, guys. Here are the list of names right here. Good luck to every single one of you guys. Nick K with the Oilers. Joe P. Last Spot Mojo with the Minnesota Wild. And here's everybody else in. Upside Down Box Mojo. There we go. There it is. The Cup Hockey. 3-box case break. Kicks down my heart. Cup Hockey tins. Blank. Big Hit's about to come out. Check as well. Alrighty, guys. Good luck, everyone. Patrick Marleau. 143 of 249. San Jose Sharks. Put this list right here. Bill. There you go, man. Start off the break with a hit. Andrew Kopp. Rookie autograph patch. 163 of 249. Winnipeg Jets going to Neil. Next one. Wow, look at this patch. Autographed rookie patch. Robbie Fabry. 8 of 15. What a beauty of a patch. For the St. Louis Blues. Going to Joe Kroll. Nice. Man, what a sick patch. Exquisite collection. That deserves a train just for the patch alone. There you go. Hope for a speedy recovery for him, but nice hit. Next one, guys. Nikolai Ehlers. I think it's the first time I ever pulled this one. 77 of 99 enshrinements autograph. Going to the Winnipeg Jets and Neil. No, I have updated today. No, didn't Robbie Fabry tear his ACL? I think he tore his ACL in the regular season. No, actually, I got my other one today. And it's actually for ADD, Bowman. I looked it up. We have a Sixes relic. 1 of 15. Braden Holtby. Jonathan Quick. Roberto Luongo. Ben Bishop. Henrik Lundqvist. And Corey Crawford. Nice. So everybody here will have a chance. Capitals. Going to Andrew. Corey Crawford. Justin P. LA Kings, that's also Justin P. Rangers, Nick K. Panthers, Bill. Tampa Bay, Bill. Yeah, that cube is crazy. I got it yesterday and I've been just playing with it like all day. Alrighty, last card out of this first box. Good luck. Wow, look at this. What a nice patch here as well. Mackenzie Skapski, autograph rookie patch. 220 of 249 for the Rangers and Nick K. Actually, I'm just going to top load all of them right now. I'll go get more top loaders. I'll top load every hit right now. Might as well just help the shipping room out. Just get a step ahead. They can tape them, and I'll just top load them. Alrighty, let me actually go get 2 more top loaders real quick.
We got the Century X of Catalina Ave.
Alrighty, so that was box 1. Great box, great box. Still have 2 boxes left, guys. If you guys like Cup Hockey, let's run another one back. Maybe do a random team. $77.99 will get you the Oilers, and that is a fraction of that price. Oh, you don't want them taped at all? I mean, we can not tape them for you, but we just do it. I mean, yeah, I guess we can not tape them for you. I guess that's true. I'll tell Axel not to. It's just because they can still move around, I guess. So we want to make sure that that we're good. But yeah, we can do that. Alrighty. Good luck. Nicholas Backstrom, 239 of 249. Washington Capitals going to Andrew. I don't know. You guys are going to have to find out. Jordan Wheel, 3-color patch. 152 of 249. Flyers hit, going to Cruz. Wow, this is the first time I've ever pulled one of these. I think ever. Limited logos. Jack Eichel, 12 of 50. Look at that, the swords right there. Man. Darren McKenzie, you've been chasing the Buffalo Sabres for like the last 10 breaks. To get an Eichel, at least I got you the limited logos now. Three off the jersey number as well. Tyler Randall, Boston Bruins going to Joe Crow. 121 of 249. We'll save the booklet for last. Timo Solani, 158 of 249 for the Ducks, going to Joe F. Booklet time, fellas. Good luck to everyone. It is an 8 of 48. You guys want to take a guess of what it is? No? Okay. I guess nobody wants to take a guess. Six-way relics. Don't know who it is. I haven't took a sneak peek, but we're about to find out. Ah, it's all for the Buffalo Sabres. Look at that. Nice break for you, Darren McKenzie. All Buffalo Sabres. Ryan O'Reilly, Rasmus Ristolainen, Sam Reinhart, Jack Eichel, Evander Kane, and Matt Moulson. Sabres. Darren McKenzie. Nice. Last box, guys. Yeah, Sabres. It's been a long. I don't think I've ever had a break like that with the Sabres hitting. It's been a long time, if there has been. Last box, guys. Good luck, everyone. $148 of $249. Taylor Hall. Edmonton Oilers going to Nick K. Luis Domingue. Two-color patch for the Arizona Coyotes going to Joe Kroll. 43 of 249. Whoa. Almost slipped out of my hands. Next one, guys. Wow, look at this. 28 of 35. Dual signature patches. Luke Robitaille and Rob Blake. Jason King Mojo. Cruz with the Los Angeles Kings. All-time highest scoring left winger of all time right there with Luke Robitaille. Hall of Famer Rob Blake. Wow. Insane patches as well. Crazy hit. Got two HOFs right there. Best left winger of all time, Luke Robitaille. Give me no horn for that, Bowman. What are you talking about? Crazy. Anything big Kings definitely is a horn. These are two Hall of Famers right there. Nice hit, Cruz. Next one, Josh Anderson. 30 of 36. Columbus Blue Jackets going to Joe Kroll. Nice three-color patch for the team who I will not name by the player that plays for that team. 8 of 99. I know, though. Goes to Joe F, though. There you go, Joe F. Nice hit. Last card. Good luck. Wow, look at that. The K in Reebok. Autograph rookie patch, Jonas Korpisalo. 187 of 249. Another hit for Joe Crow and the Columbus Blue Jackets. Joe has Raleigh fingers. What do you mean? Or hates Raleigh fingers, you mean? Alrighty, guys. That was the break. We got to randomize one card. Where is it at? Pretty solid break, though. $3 break. 6 is right here. Capitals, Blackhawks, Kings, Rangers, Panthers, and Lightning. Yes, Joe's arch nemesis is Raleigh fingers. He has a whole franchise. Oh, he does? Oh. Yeah, the reason why it is, guys, or if you guys don't know, is because 2 years ago at the National, at the National, Raleigh Fingers was signing free autographs, and he didn't want to sign. He didn't want to sign for Joe because the time was up and Joe was breaking or something, and he told him, "Hey Raleigh, we went to the same high school in Upland, and can we get your autograph?" He's like, "No." I was like, "Damn, savage." All right, so let's put Capitals. Rangers, Panthers, Lightning. All right. So Capitals, Blackhawks, Kings, Rangers, Panthers, Lightning. 6s. So let's roll the dice. 5 and a 5. We're going 10 times on this card right here. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it was 10, right? Yep, 10th and final time. After 10 times, goes to Cruz and the Kings. So there you go, Kings. Cruz, you also get this card, including that Luke Robitaille and Rob Blake dual autograph. So there you go, guys. That was a 3-box break of Pick Your Team of Cup Hockey, number 22. Number 23 will be in the store later on tonight. JaspysHockeyLand.com. We still have a random team. You can do that random team tonight. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.